Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So I got these little samples of paper from Legion Paper. They sent me a whole bunch of these tiny little sketch pads. This one is about 3.5 by 2.5 inches, and I really wanted to put these to use. So I decided to do a tiny painting using my tiniest paper with my tiniest brush. All of the supplies that I used are going to be listed below as always, and I hope that you guys enjoy watching me paint this little elephant. This piece actually took me probably about half an hour to 45 minutes to complete. Even though it is so tiny, it took a lot of layers and building up to get to the final result. So please keep on watching if you want to see how I transform this sketch into the tiniest painting that I've ever done with watercolors. And voila, my little elephant is complete. I'm really happy with how he turned out. He is very small. It actually looks larger on the screen, but here is a quarter for comparison. And I had a lot of fun doing this little challenge. I hope that you guys liked it too. If you want to see me do another mini tiny painting in the future, let me know what I should paint in the comments below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps me out, and I hope to see you in the next one.